the wire here, but we are not use the beads. We are use the wire only making the ring. Okay, we use the wire only to make the ring. Here, this one we will cut it longer the wire. Hello, Lori. Happy to see you. This one we cut the wire in 40 centimeter. Before we always cut it 30 centimeter, and now we cut it 40 centimeter, the wire only. I was start at size 8 to make 8. Should have start at 8.5. Yes. If this kind of the design, you should start at half size bigger. Okay, so cut it in 40 centimeter. Then if I'm going to make a ring at in size 6, this time we are going to make a ring in size 6. Okay, so start to repeat. I start to bend the wire at the middle 6, so I start at 6.5, half size bigger. Yeah, half size bigger. Okay, here this way. We are making a simple rose ring. Okay. Simple rose ring. So here the side keep the 2 wire the same. Okay. This way. Size 6.5. Okay. Then we start to twist. Twist it like here. This one. Then you're going to twist. This ring is a simple flower ring, so just twist, make the wire twist. Your piece touch the cross part, then twist. Okay, so here, this is the way. That's how we make. Okay, twist. Okay, then twist the side, the length about 6. Yeah, about 6. Then you will find that I'm not take off from the side, the wood ring side. Just keep here. Unbeatable. Yeah, twist is still prevent. Touch it tight. Yeah. Okay, then fell down here like this. Okay, then you are going to wrap it. Yeah, let the piece of the wire fall down. Then you are wrap it around it. So here, this way. Then you see I move the ring side here. See, is it very easy? Okay, then a little bit more. Okay. Okay. So I wrap it until the side part, but not at this middle part, the side part here, this way. Then move. Okay, after move it, then we are going to hidden this wire on the back. Hidden the wire on the back. Hidden to here. Then going to wrap the ring band. Okay, wrap. So always wrap by the middle, but not the top wire go through. Always here go through. This the fold part go inside. Okay. Okay. Here, this is the way, and this one here. Fold and fold and fold. Okay, so it come out the flowering. Okay, then we are going to make the shape size, make the ring size at 6 here. Then let's see here. Yeah, not see this made before. Yeah, this is a very early design, so we feel it's not too much hard, so I'm not overshoot it. So this one finish. It's very easy to make. Compare for someone at the beginning to make the rose ring is not so much easy, but this way is so much easy, right? Okay, size 6. If you love this ring, you can type 6 to get it. Yeah, 666 is strong, and because it's with 3 wire, and here the flower this way to make it is nice. So 666 to get this ring as your free gift, my dear. Okay, here. You can type if even your new friends or old friends, both welcome to get it. Yeah, it's easy making but a beautiful look. Size 6, small size. Type 666 to get. Ah, yes. Here. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so NOELIA, you got it. Next, we go to show with you that we put one bead at the middle of the rose ring, and we make another way of the rose. Hi, Cheshik. Hello, Rondia. Yes. Before it seems frozen, my side also. Okay, it's here. Good. Come back now. Okay. So we continue. We use the black color wire to make. Okay, this time we're going to make a rose ring by this black color wire. Cut the wire in 40 centimeter as well. 0.8 again. Yeah. 0.8 again, dear. And we're going to make it with the black wire here this time. Size 0.8, and this time we go to make a size in size 8, and I'm going to also put the piece of the wire at 8.5. Okay, 8.5 here, this way. Then fold. Rose ring is 40 centimeter. 40. Those ring need a long wire. 40. here. This way, 40 centimeter here, and we are going to cross here, twist tight as well. Twist it here like this. Okay, then if I'm going to make, I'm going to put the red beads 4 millimeter. There is a 4 millimeter red beads here. Okay, then we start to bend the ring to a rose. Yeah, so it's come a little bit different. Bend it around here. See, and this one here, fold it down. It's like this to wrap it on back here. This, then this one wrapper all come from the back of the wire here. Then again wrap it here, and this wire also come wrapper here. Okay, and wrapper here. And wrapper and wrapper. So we are going to try to wrap the rose layer by layer. So always come from the back layer. Here, see, layer, back of the on the back layer. So it's like a cake, the first layer, second layer, the third layer, like this. Okay, thank you. So here is a channel show with you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. If you are interested, handmade, here will be a nice place for you. Okay, so here, then I hidden the wire on the back to go to another side, and this wire keep here to rub the band. Okay, then move. So it come out a rose like this. This is the same way that's to fold and the rubber. So my finger is touch the rose tight, and so that's when you are wrap it, the green band not going to out of shape. This is a special gold stick design. Okay, this way, yeah, and the way wrapper. Here, this. So 40 centimeter here to make a ring in size 8. If you want to make a big size, please cut the wire longer, like 50 centimeter. Okay, then it's going to be a size 8. Okay. What happened? It's go to someone else live streaming. Okay. For a size 10, would 50 centimeter be good? For size 10, I think at least 50. Maybe you can cut 60. 60 is more safe. Here. Okay, this one is size 8. Let's see the look. Hi, Rhonda. Happy to see you. Okay, so the ring, we finish this one. This is a size 8. Thank you to follow me, my friends. If you are new here, it's a live streaming share with you how to making the ring and how to use the copper wire